guys, you are lucky. I just saw one now, so I'm going to be showing you this. Depends on the can you want to put. We have different ones. The one we have at home is not like this anyway. Shorter one. So you are lucky. This is the can. Someone is putting his own. So I just said, let me show you guys. This is like this. Actually, I'm here, guys. Yes, I'm supposed to return the can with us. So maybe next time when I come, I'm going to show you guys how I do it. Yes, when we buy this can drink, we recycle it back. That's what we'll do. Recycle it back. So when next I come, I'm going to be showing you guys how we do it. I wish I can show you the machine. Okay, let me show you the machine now. So when next I come, we'll do it together so that you see how we do it. Yes, so your sisters, that is how we live. So when we finish drinking it, don't just waste it. We don't throw it away. Nothing is wastage. We recycle it back and get some cash from it. That's what we'll do. So I'll be showing you guys how the machine look like. So stay tuned and watch. This is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. So this is where you put the container. So if it goes, it's good. Then if you accept, if not, it's good. Put the plastic. You can put that of plastic. We have two machines here. I think this machine is bad. Okay, it's working. So see, you can see the way they are putting the plastic here. So you get your ticket from this place. So that's how we do it. So nothing is wasted for your sister. Don't mind me. I know some people put their own away. So this is what we do. I forgot to bring it as we are coming here today. We have some at home. So it's not finished. So whenever I want to do it, I just say I remember. I'm going to remember so that we do it together. Yes, this is how we go. I know to far back home, throw them away. But here it's not like that. If you settle it and get money back. I just want to show you how to do it so that you see bringing out the ticket and doing that is done. So this is how we go. Thank you so much. So when next I'm going to be showing you how it's being done. So we are done with this. Then when the machine is bad, it will work. But now it's not bad. It's good. It's okay. Here they are just showing you what you can put inside. You can put this bottle. You can put this. This is not allowed. But you can put this bottle. You can put your can. Depends on the can anyway. I'm going to be showing you another one. Yes, we have another one. This is another one here. Say plastic and cannets. So here the plastic and the can is allowed here, but some is only the can that you can put. But in this you can put both. You can put both. That's what this place is saying. So guys, whenever I come next, we are going to be doing it together. So I just came today to show you how it's been done and what I used to recycle my car. Thank you so much for staying tuned. Thank you. This is how we go. Thank you so much.